Hey guys, Joe Pye here at Advanced Innovations, but today I'm not in the shop. Today I am in Central Austin, and this is a typical Central Austin home. This was built in 1952. It is a 1,275 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch. And if you've noticed I haven't been posting any machining videos, this is why. Let's take a look at the inside and we'll show you the progress on the renovation. Come in the front door. This is the living room. The ceilings have all been scraped. It used to be the old popcorn textured ceilings, and that was just nasty. My son has been an absolute amazing assistance in getting this done. This is the living room. Dining room's in the back, and this is the kitchen over here. Take a look at what used to be the kitchen. Hey, Mom, what's for dinner? It's like, takeout, because somebody took out the kitchen. Countertops will run along the wall, along this back wall too, over to the rear exit door, dishwasher, sink under the window, upper cabinets all the way around, over the fridge, range goes over here, vent hood, microwave, another counter here with a bar top server sitting area to be placed right here. This room is gutted right down to the studs. The subfloor has been replaced, and some genius in the past decided to hang a giant pot rack on the ceiling and not engage the hangers in the studs. Well, you can see what happened there. Blew the ceiling up, and it's probably been sagging for a while, so it is now propped up with these 2x4 jacks and wedges. Gonna let it sit for a couple of days and settle in before we start driving screws in here and redoing the ceiling as well. Other side of this wall right here is the bathroom. Passing through the kitchen. One of the 3 bedrooms. Exceptionally large rooms in this house for having been built back in 1952. Pleasantly surprised at how big these rooms are. And once again, there isn't one surface in this room that has not been addressed. The ceilings also scraped. The entire house had to be scraped, floated, and painted on the ceilings because they were just disastrous. Nice hardwood floors underneath the protective coating. They've already been sanded. They're going to need to be wiped down and cleaned when they're done. And you can see the condition of the floors here are just really beautiful. Hardwood floors. Okay, hold your breath on this one. Oh, bathroom. Well, at least this is where the bathroom used to be. This floor was 1.5 inches thick concrete. It had wire mesh nailed to the subfloor. Then it was filled with concrete, and it was tiled over top of that. And the same thing on the walls. Wire mesh on the walls to about a 4-foot level all the way around. Let's see if we can get that backlight out of there. This side. That's a little better. There was about 4 feet worth of wire mesh nailed to all the walls all the way around. About 1 inch of concrete was then applied to the walls, and then it was tiled over top of that. There was a single sink here, a short vanity, and a linen closet in the corner. We're putting back in a 6-foot double sink, 2 LED mirrors, can lights in the ceiling for when you just don't want to get the ambiance of backlit LED mirrors, make you feel like a hotel. Gonna have 12 by 24, 12 by 36 marble tile in the shower, all the way to the ceiling. The shower head, I'm not sure if Oompa Loompas used to shower here or what, but the shower head peaks out at about 5'5" at the shower head bottom. So we're gonna move it up to 6'8" up here so that actual human beings can shower in this area. Not sure if I'm gonna put a curtain in here or a sliding door. That is yet to be seen. The tub is in great shape. It's covered up with plywood now, so the demolition didn't take its toll on it. And when we were done, just the bathroom and sections of some of the kitchen wood, 3,850 pounds of debris pulled out of just this room. So you can imagine the banging that was going on in this room. Pulling that floor and ripping those walls down was no easy chore. Another back bedroom. This is about 12 by 14. This is a good size room. A lot of light in here. Ceiling's pool table smooth. My son did a fantastic job on that. Nice big closets, not walk-in, but nice and deep, and double hangers if you need them. This would be considered the master suite. God knows why. It's got the smallest closet in the entire house. It's a comparable size to the bedroom that we just looked at. And it does have its own ensuite or attached bathroom, a walk-in shower, toilet, pedestal sink. This is the only room in the house that still has the original popcorn ceiling. You probably can't see that, but there it is. Now here's the beautiful part about this house. Check this out. Look at the size of this yard. This is unheard of in Central Austin. This is an enormous backyard. You could put a tennis court back here easily. In-ground pool, gazebo, whatever. Our plan is to put a large shed on this side for the lawnmowers, yard tools, extra storage, whatever. And that is South Loop 1 Mopac, right behind the house, right behind this wall. And believe it or not, there's heavy traffic right now, but you can't hear it. This house is so well acoustically situated, and that barrier wall, the taller of the two in the back, that is about a foot thick concrete sound barrier that the state put up a couple years back. What a project that was. All right, so now you know. Where has he been? This is where I've been. I've been smashing up concrete, pulling drywall, scraping ceilings, jacking up cracks, and just genuinely having a good time, because it's always nice to start fresh, right? So this is starting fresh, guys. I do appreciate you hanging in there. Thank you very much for your continued support. And I will definitely be back here soon with the machining. And I'll keep you posted on this. Anybody that's genuinely curious about how this is going to come out, especially the kitchen. The kitchen should be a step in the right direction. From 1952 to 2024, it's going to look just a little different. Hang around and we'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Joe Pye, not at Advanced Innovations. I'm out.